Hi Year 3, today we're going to be adding money using our number bonds to help us, okay? Because that means our two calculations, the pence will be over £1. So we're going to use our number bonds to help us, okay? So the first question is, how does Amira find the total of the two amounts? So let's write the calculation out. We have £16 and 70 pence plus £7 and 80 pence, okay? As you can see here, Amira has partitioned the 80 into 30 and 50. If I draw a number line here, it'll be clear to see why she has done that. So let's start with the biggest number like we always do, £16 and 70 pence. Okay, let's add her £7 first of all. So 16 add 7. Who thinks they could tell me what 16 add 7 is? I know you're all going to be shouting out the screen. It's going to be £23. Okay, so now let's look how they've partitioned that 80. So she's partitioned it into 30p because 70p, oh, I've forgotten something, £23 and 70 pence. Because 70p plus 30p, which she's partitioned it into, is going to equal a whole pound, okay? So 70 plus 30, 70, 80, 90 is 100, which you know. So that's another pound. So £23 and 70p plus 30p is going to equal £24. Now let's add on that last 50p. So £24 plus 50p is going to be £24 and 50 pence. Okay? So that's why we've used our number bonds to 100 to help us with this. We were practicing at school the partitioning where it's not just 10 and 70. Okay, we have been partitioning 80 in different numbers in different ways. So let's look. That's what we've just done there. So let's try with our guided practice. Okay, so let's write. It's always important to write the calculation out first. So £13 and 40 pence plus £8 and 10 pence. You might choose to do it another way. I'm showing you on a number line because I think it's really clear to see with the number bonds. You don't have to do it on a number line if you don't want to. It's your choice of how you're going to do it. Okay? I don't want you to use column though because we've got whole tens here. So let's do our £13. Let's start with £13 and 40 pence. £13 and 40 pence. We're going to add the £8. Okay? So £13 plus 8. If we know 13 plus 7 is going to equal £20, then £13 plus 8 must equal £21 and 40 pence. Okay, now we can just add the 10p. With this one, you might have been able to do it mentally. You could have, if you wanted to as well, done it in pounds and pence. So this is one way to show it. You could have just added the pounds. You could have done £13 plus £8 equals £21, and you could have done 40p plus 10p equals 50p. Okay, so we know that the answer is going to equal £21 and 50 pence. Okay, so just put that bit up here as well. So there are two ways there because our amount didn't go over a whole pound, our pence didn't go over a whole pound, we could have actually worked that one out mentally. Let's have a look at this one. This is the second one. Okay, so £6 and 20p. I'm just going to just hide this down here for a minute so we have a bit of space. I'm going to write the calculation out. £6 and 20p plus £3 and 80p. Right, before we do what we just did, now let's have a look at the pence. 80 plus 20 we know equals 100p, which is the same as £1. So that doesn't go over a pound. Okay, so we don't need to use our number bonds to help us. We don't need to use any partitioning to help us. Okay, so we can do 80p plus 20p equals 100p which equals £1. Okay, it's the same as. Remember, equals always also means the same as. So now do £6 plus £3, which equals £9. So we have £9 plus £1, which equals £10. So those ones we could do in our head, nice and easy. Okay, so what I might just do is edit that in there. Excuse my technical difficulties, but it's just a lot easier to do it this way. Okay, so this one you'll see with the pence that we are going to be bridging that pound. Okay, so we are going to use a number line, and we are going to use our partitioning to help us. Okay, so we have the first one, £6.85 plus, sorry, we haven't got £6.85. We've got £6.45. Let's put in the largest number first, plus £3.85. Okay. So I'm going to put it on a number line. So we have our £6.45 here. Okay. The reason why I'm sticking to number lines is because it's really good for your mental addition. Okay. And because we're not at school, we need to practice that as much as possible. So 45, let's count in tens till we get to a pound. So 45, count with me. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So that's going to be 50p. And then 95 add 5 is going to be 55p. Okay, so if we partition this one side into 55p, okay, how many more do we need to get to 85? And that's going to be 30. 55, 65, 75, 85. Okay, so let's first of all add the £3 because we're going to add the pounds first. So £6.45 add £3 is going to be £9.45. And then let's add in the 55p because that's going to equal our pound, which is going to give us the total to £10. And then £10 plus 30p. Sorry, I've gone a bit off the page here. Okay, £10 plus 30p is going to equal £10 and 30 pence. Okay, so that's how we've partitioned it. We've worked out from 45p how many more pence we need to get to a pound, and then we've partitioned it from there. Okay, so let's do the next one. Let's do the largest number first. £8.85 plus £7.15. Okay, so I'm going to show you a different way this time. Let's do the pounds first. £8 plus £7 is going to equal £15. And now let's just do the pence on the number line. Okay? Because I'm just showing you different ways just because you might find it easier. So if we do 85p, we're going to add, let's partition this 15p into 10 and 5, because that will make 15. So 85p add 10p is going to equal 95p. I know you're all probably shouting at me saying, come on, Mrs. Boyd. And then 95p plus 5p is going to equal how much? How much? I wonder if I can hear you shouting it. It's going to equal £1. Okay, so then we can add that £1 to our £15, which is going to equal £16. Okay, so I'm just showing you different ways that you might find it easier to add the money together. Okay, There's no right or wrong way to work it out, okay? Apart from column, I won't ban you from using column at the moment. Because I want to get your mental addition going. But you can find the easiest way to do it, okay? So here we have some whole 10. So let's do it. I'll change the font. So we have £25. Oh, £25 and 60 pence. Add £9.90. Okay, so let's add our pounds first. That's the easiest way, isn't it? £25 add £9. If we know £25 add 10 is 35, let's take one away. So it's going to be £34. Okay, now 90p add 60p. So if we're on 90, how many more do we need to get to £1? We need 10p more to get to £1. So I'm going to partition this into 10p. Okay. And how many more do I need to get to 60 if I'm on 10? That's right, 50p. 50p at 10p equals 60p. Okay. So we can do 90p plus 10p equals £1. And then the pound plus 50p equals £1.50. And if we bring that all together, £34 plus £1.50 is going to equal £35.50. Okay, so I've just shown you different ways to work it out. You might not want to use a number line at all. You might want to use this method here, while I've just mentally added them together. You might want to use a number line to show the jumps, and that's absolutely fine. But you choose the way you want to work it out. Okay, but what I want you to do is think about when you get to £1, you need to keep on adding on. What clever mathematical ways could you use to help you? Can you use your partitioning? Can you use your number bonds, your number facts? Okay, how else would you do it to work it out? This is a bit of an adding mentally task, okay? A mental challenge task, what I meant to say. So, your activities. Look at the links below. There's a red task today, a blue task, and a yellow task. If you're not feeling too confident, start on the red task. If you found the red task really easy, then move on to the blue. If you found the blue really easy, then move on to the yellow. If you found the red and the blue really hard, then stop there and don't do the yellow one. Okay? Do what's best for you and what suits you. Please let me know if you've got any questions. All right, bye.